It seems that BT and Valve are set to face off in the courtroom, as BT has filed a lawsuit against Valve that alleges that the Steam service infringes on 4 separate patents that they currently hold. Now, they also claim that they reached out to Valve about this in October of last year but didn't get any response, and again they tried to communicate after this but were similarly ignored, and now they've decided it's lawyer time. Now, what is the suit alleging, I hear you ask? Well, they're basically saying that the core Steam platform infringes on the Gittins patent, which, quote, relates generally to providing users with content that originates from multiple subscription services and delivers it through a single portal where a customer may access content for which it has access rights. Now, according to them, Steam are infringing upon this patent because, quote, it locally stores third-party content such as video games and through the Steam platform makes them accessible to users who have access rights precisely as claimed in the patent. Now, they're also claiming that Steam Chat infringes the Newton patent, Steam Messaging infringes the Berdus patent, and Steam Broadcasting infringes on the Buckley patent. Now, very quickly, I'm just going to say that I will link the full suit in the description below. I would advise Legal Dictionary, to be honest. But they're basically saying that Steam performs all of the 9 steps in Claim 21 of the Gittins patent, while Steam Broadcasting walks all over Claim 18 of the Buckley patent. Now, while it's not particularly relevant to any proceedings in the courtroom or the legal action in general, BT does seem to be sort of spurred on somewhat by its bitterness that Valve is acknowledging its claims, or even that they've received the claims, or that BT is a thing that's trying to communicate with them. And they said, quote, despite BT's written notice to Valve spelling out Valve's infringement of the Gittins patent, Valve has not stopped its infringement. Rather, Valve continues to make, use and offer Valve's Steam distribution platform in a manner which infringes the Gittins patent. Valve has known of the Gittins patent, known that Valve's Steam infringes the Gittins patent, failed to even respond to any of BT's correspondence, and still continues to offer its Steam platform in an infringing manner in disregard of BT's patent rights. Now, what are BT seeking here, you ask? Well, they're looking not only for judgment against Valve, holding it liable for the infringing of these patents, they're also looking for damages, quote, no less than a reasonable royalty, together with pre-judgment and post-judgment interest. And they're asking for this to be tripled because the infringement was, they call willful and deliberate, as well as all legal costs involved in the matter. So, if in the instance that Valve lose this, the bill could be quite hefty indeed. Now, to be honest, I don't really see this proceeding with any real weight, and again, I'm not a lawyer, nor am I an expert on US law, but this patent seems incredibly vague. Just that description of the Gittins patent essentially describes all cable TV services like Netflix, HBO, even competitors like Origin, and you can even argue services like the iOS Store and Google Play. And, you know, even services like Now TV and Amazon Prime and all this other stuff, like, there's a lot of services that could technically be quote-unquote infringing on this particular patent, and well, technically, yeah, Steam does offer third-party applications through a single portal. Apart from a few very rare exceptions, such as, say, Final Fantasy XIV, very, very few of them have a subscription service. Almost all of them is you buy the game, and then that's it. So, if you make the argument that Steam is even less relevant than a service like Netflix, so why aren't they suing Netflix? Well, probably because Netflix are not a company that are a pushover, but then again, neither are Valve. Perhaps BT are hoping to get a judge who doesn't realise they're being a patent troll? I don't know. It doesn't really seem that this is going to go too far, but I could be completely wrong, to be honest. Just from what I've been reading and my limited knowledge on the law, this doesn't really seem like it has all that weight behind it. The patent is very vague and it's extraordinarily broad, and numerous things could be put under it, so yeah. If I were the judge, I would ask, well, if this is the case, why are you not suing Netflix? Why are you not suing Sky? Why are you not suing Amazon? Because they take to the cleaners? Right, okay then. And I would also argue, like, why did it take them so long? Steam has been around for like 11 years, but now they're saying they're rolling on it. BT are like, oh, let's see if we can get a piece of the pie, lads. I don't know. Could be not that, but I don't know. This is a huge corporation we're talking about, so when they see dollar signs, they see them dollar signs. Love to hear some thoughts from you guys. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.